WOLF stock analysis and price predictions for Tuesday and onwards is Wolfspeed stock a buy. I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief and short 1-minute video, and as the only guy in this space that has done 43,000 videos over 5 years and documented everything, I have seen what's personally printing me money and what is not, what's losing me, and more so I've documented it all. It's all on my YouTube channel. So how I'm looking at this is not from a bullish range. It's not that I'm not bullish whatsoever, no, but I'm trying to be like a little realistic, because ever since it was 10 bucks I've been the guy behind that was kind of on this bearish side, right? And it's not that I'm like a hater or something, it's just following my rules, you know. 5 years into the game, it's not a small amount, and you can see like 7 months back is when I made this still video when it was 10 bucks, and then since then all I can tell you that we have been pretty much doubling down quite crazy, and now it's at $1. The likelihood that we price pumps even lower, melts even lower, is high. That's why I'm biasing that. I mean, the only thing that will make me be bullish is if full candle close above like 4 something or something, like something similar. But if you want to stay tuned with Wolf and want to get my free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next one.